Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. PPSC, FPSC, KPPSC and SPSC students can join my vital and important sessions. You can just send me the message on these numbers. Dear students, today I will discuss the difference between classical probability and relative frequency approach. Classical probability is a theoretical approach, number of favorable over total. It has an assumption that every outcome has an equal chance in the sample space, whereas while relative frequency approach is an empirical approach. In that approach we have the observed data, we perform the experiment practically, it is based on the past experience, it is based on the historical data. I will give you some examples. For example, you toss a coin, head and tail, these both are equally likely, 1 by 2 chance for tail, 1 by 2 for head. Probability of head is 1 by 2, 50% chance. Probability of tail is also 1 by 2. It is classical approach. And if I say I toss a coin 100 times and 60 times we get head and 40 times I get tail, so probability of head is 0.60, probability of tail is 0.40. It is relative frequency approach. It is based on the practical performance of the experiment. I will give you one more example. We have balls, red ball, green ball and black ball in the box. What is the probability of black? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 for green, 1 by 3 for red. Equally likely. Each outcome has an equal chance. It is classical approach. And if I want to give the example for relative frequency, if I select 100 balls and 40 are black, 30 are green and 30 are red, so probability of black will be 40 over 100. It is the relative frequency approach. Will it rain today? Relative frequency approach. Will Professor Hassan take the class or not? Relative frequency approach. Will I pass the test? Relative frequency approach. Will Pakistan win the match against England? Relative frequency approach. Depend upon the past experience. Assalamu alaikum.